guys, I'm here in Bismarck, North Dakota. Made it here, and everything is covered in ice, chasing this blizzard here. Blizzard warning here in Bismarck, North Dakota, all the way to the northeast, through North Dakota, Grand Forks up to Manitoba, and Ontario, northwestern Minnesota. Was eating apple pie here. Checking out the scene here. Watching people drive real slow because everything's covered in a layer of ice. I was skating in my boots here a little bit. Not now, but earlier over here. So we could get like 18 inches of snow here in Bismarck. Winds gusting 45, 55 miles per hour. Gonna get real nasty here, so I'm gonna chase this storm and show you guys what it's like to chase a blizzard in North Dakota. It's pretty cold. I don't have a jacket on. I'm getting a little chillier. All right, later. Very slick here in Bismarck. Cars sliding around, driving real slow. I'm currently in Bismarck, North Dakota, where we are under a blizzard warning here today, where we could expect up to 18 inches of total snow. We've already had 3 to 4 inches of snowfall overnight, and we are expecting another 11, 14 inches, maybe more, here today in Bismarck, North Dakota, and points to the northeast. This is Storm Chaser Aaron Jayjack, currently in Bismarck, North Dakota, where this blizzard continues to unfold here in North Dakota. Very deep snow now, roads very treacherous. Road crews trying to keep up with the snow here, pushing it off. They're doing an okay job, but it's coming down pretty heavy here, and the winds are picking up, whiteout conditions at time, especially areas here where it's more open along the interstate. Well, this storm is going to make its way to the northeast through North Dakota today, towards Grand Forks into Canada, southeastern Manitoba, southwestern Ontario, northwestern Minnesota. Could see those blizzard conditions as well later today. So if you are living there, you should do what my friend Frankie McDonald would do, is be prepared. You need to be prepared. Get your storm chips, get food, get water, get milk, bread, whatever you need. Get that in the house. Get video games ready to go, board games ready to go with your family, because it is going to get nasty here later today in northeastern North Dakota, northwestern Minnesota, and into Canada. But I am going to continue tracking the storm here. We probably already got 6 to 7 inches here in Bismarck, with at least that much more to go still. All right, guys, it's midday Thursday. We're still in the midst of this blizzard, continuing to dump snow here in Bismarck. We got a car stuck back here behind me. I'm gonna go help them out here in a second, pull them out with my tow rope if they can't get out by the time I'm done with this video. But we are in the midst of this blizzard. Lots of snow is falling. Probably 8 to 10 inches of snow is already falling here. More continues to fall. Looks like we'll have several hours of this today. Snow continuing to fall here in Bismarck, and then as the storm moves to the east, get those strong winds wrapping around, start blowing snow and drifting everywhere. So we're gonna keep driving around here, chasing the storm here in North Dakota. I'm gonna go help these guys out. Look at it. They can't get out. Let's go get them out. And here in Bismarck, still in the midst of the blizzard, huge drifts starting to form now here with strong winds, whiteout conditions. There's actually a plow right there blowing snow off of the highway right behind me here, north of Bismarck, that goes to Minot. They're blowing it off the road. Strong winds here still in Bismarck. Snow continues to come down here. It's really starting to drift up in areas where the wind can get strong. See, there's big drifts here up against this building. Drifts right here, starting to build up. This is maybe about a 1.5, 2 foot drift right now. Very windy here in Bismarck, but I think it will get even a little windier maybe later on this afternoon into tonight. And this snow will just continue to pile up here in Bismarck in big drifts. It's very light snow, easy to blow around. Look at that. Not much water in this snow, quite dry snow, so it's blowing around all over the place here in Bismarck, North Dakota, where the blizzard warning continues today, and 2 points to the northeast towards Canada. But I'm chasing the blizzard here in North Dakota today, and it's been a pretty big blizzard. I've been running through snow, running around here, so a little out of breath. All right, chasing the storm here. Storm Chaser Aaron Jayjack in North Dakota, chasing the first blizzard here of 2022-2023 winter season.